Is the Dash Multimaker worth the extra cost? Let's find out right after this. What's up everyone? Just Jason here. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I've done a lot of chaffle recipes on the channel. In fact, we've got almost 100 videos using the Dash Mini on the channel. So if you've all familiar with the standard 4-inch Dash Mini waffle iron here, I've been using them for quite some time, quite a few years. I've gone through numerous Dash Minis. You know, you burn them out after a while. So the two I've been using for the last couple of years, they're getting a little tired, and I came across a deal and found a couple of the Dash Multimaker Mini Waffle irons. Now, these are still 4-inch. They're the same size, but the big difference with these ones, if you can see, there's a little button right here on the side. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to actually remove the grill from the casing. You can see the heating element there, and it works for the bottom as well. You can get the bottom grill out as well. So it makes it a lot easier to clean the inside of the Dash, which has always been an issue with the regular or the standard ones. They wind up getting grease and such trapped in the bottom of them. The latest version of them did have a drain hole in the bottom of it, so it made it a little bit better, but I still think there's quite a bit of grease trapped in there. It also allows you, like I said, to pull the grills right out, and you can actually put these in the dishwasher, so no more sort of scrubbing, or you can just wipe them down with a paper towel if they're not too dirty. And as an added bonus, the kit that you buy, the Multimaker Dash Mini kit, depending on which one you buy, comes with some other plates, and it actually comes in this nice little carrying case or Tupperware. So you can see there's 5 more plates in there. It gives you 2 of the pancake plates, so you can just make pancakes in your waffle iron. And then it gives you some fancy ones too. So here's a pumpkin plate, and then this one's a Santa Claus plate. And then this kit came with a snowman plate. Now you can see, or I've seen other sort of kits where you can buy different plates, like unicorns and dinosaurs and all sorts of stuff. So there's lots of different fun options out there, especially for the kids. We bought a set of these for my grandsons for Christmas, and they really love them. Now, if we're going to talk about price, the Dash Mini, here in Canada, I've always found it for $14, $15, $16 Canadian, something like that. Usually not any cheaper than that. And they are fairly readily available in stores and on Amazon. Now for the Dash Multimaker, I lucked out and found 2 of them at a liquidation store. So they were $22 each, which is a really good deal. But what I've seen them for at Walmart, for instance, is $34 for the kit. So that's the waffle iron and then the 5 extra plates that come along with it. Now the extra kits that you can buy with the specialty waffle or the irons that come with it, I've usually seen them for around $10 for I think 5 other plates. So not too bad, fairly reasonable. Ultimately, I personally think that it's worth the extra cost to be able to remove the grills and clean them separate. I think it's going to ultimately add to the longevity of the waffle iron altogether. So yeah, so I personally find that the cost, while it's about $20 more per unit, I think it's probably worth the cost overall. So, and so far as performance goes, they've been working just the same as the old Dash Minis. They heat up just as quickly, they get just as hot. They are a little bit bigger. The body of them is a tad bit bigger, but not much, so it's not a big deal. So that's just about it for this week. I just wanted to sort of go over what I've been using for the last couple of videos as far as waffle irons go. I know people have asked about them, so I wanted to just put together this short video going over the details about them. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them for you. And I'll leave a link to my recipe playlist where I've used the Dash Minis almost 100 times for videos now. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, check that out after this one's finished. And that's about it. If you can give it a thumbs up, really be appreciated. Consider subscribing if you find this content informative and fun. And that's about it. Keep on thriving, my friends.